Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. I'm very excited to make this video on ticker symbol AMC because this thing has been running for last few days. I think in last 2 days it moved around 30 to 40%. I will check, but back to back 2 days, awesome move. For day trading, awesome move, 20% gain. Even for swing trading, nice comeback, and even for long, excellent. So I have been banking on this particular stock, and I think this thing can run even more because the setup is looking good. No shares available to short, the short interest is high, volume is coming. So in this particular video I'm going to talk about all of these. Stay with me till the very end. Also, if you want to join my community for day trading, please use the link in the first comment, also in the description, so that you can join my Patreon. Only $9 per month. You can join anytime. You can join my Patreon, get access to my Discord for each and every day with there's trade ideas with support, resistance, and so many things. And you can see we have been making money almost every day. So anyway, let's talk about AMC. First of all, on a 1 minute chart, you can see that just yesterday, which is Friday, right? So I'm going to talk about the chart, then I will go on other things. So AMC was looking really sharp. You can see that the previous day, like Thursday, I guess, it did a nice move, right? It moved almost 20%. It hit the target of 6.2 for a few times. It was a strong resistance. At the same time, it was holding this blue line here, right? You can see the blue line here. That was the area it was holding, right? So we had an eye on AMC because once the market opened, it came down a little bit. Then you can see the MACD turned positive, lots of volume came, and the bot we are using over our Discord. By the way, if you become a Discord member, you will get this kind of automated alert. So everything was pointing nice. The EMA crossover, the volume, MACD, the bot alert, everything came at the same time. So nice push from $6 all the way to 6.6, almost 10% gain, came back and bounced over this VWAP. At the same time, you see the red line here, which was the previous day resistance. So it bounced from resistance, another good thing, because the previous resistance became the new support. Then that was the VWAP, went up, came down, but it was bouncing over the VWAP, right? At the same time, very strong move all the way to 7.1, had some kind of rejection, came back, went to 7.3, came back and moving sideways. Very strong so far. I'm going to talk more about the chart, but let's look at few other things. In terms of volume, the average volume was 22 million, but last Friday it got double volume, which is 43 million. So the volume was double. The volume is going higher. If you look day by day, more interesting. You can see last 5 days of trading, 20 million, 27, 25, 40, and then 43 million. Okay, so the volume is going higher. That is a good thing. The volume going higher and the price action also going higher. They had an earning, which is good. The other thing about the option chain activity, if you see that all the options that expired last Friday, you can see these options like 6.576, all of them were in the money. So there should be exercise. So there will be more buying pressure this coming week. Now, if I look next week option expiry, which is 18th of November, look at the for open interest and volume, still very high, but very interesting to see the 8 strike price open interest, 21,000 call option, right? So if you multiply with 8 with 30 with 100, then if you multiply by 21,000, it's a lot of money. You can just do the math by yourself. 21,000 multiplied by 31 multiplied by 8, you will get the number. But lots of call options waiting, even for 10 strike price. So very exciting this coming week. And why not? If you look at Ortex, you will see that the current short interest is 20.51%, which is really high. The cost to borrow is 22%, and more interestingly, the utilization is 100%. Okay, 100%, meaning that there is no shares available to short. Look at the chart. The short interest is slowly going up, but the price action is moving. At the same time, days to cover, this thing is going higher. If you look at Fintel, the same thing, 19.76% short interest, and if you come down, 0 shares available to short. So very exciting. Okay, so if the volume comes, you will see lots of squeeze. So I'm going back to the chart and I'm going to turn off everything here. So I just want to move mostly about the price action. So I'm going back to a 5-minute chart. First of all, just want to show, I think initially I talked about 20 to 40%, 30 to 40%. Let's see. So from 5.1 it went all the way to 7.3, which is 41%. Yes, it moved more than 40% in 2 days. This is the power of AMC. Now let's look how far it can go. So I'm going back to a 1 hour chart. Just want to give you the flavor how far it can move. So I'm just loading the 1 hour chart. So have a look on the 1 hour chart. So it had some kind of resistance at 6.2 previously. So we broke 6.2. The next resistance was around 7.1. Yet we got rejected. But as long we can maintain this $7 area as a new support. You see the line here, right? You see the line here? If we can make this as the new support, I think AMC can run towards $8, 8.1. Moving really nice, 40% move in 2 days. That does not mean it will move 20% each and every day. You might see a pullback depending on the market, but pullbacks are also healthy for a stock to run. It's not like each and every day it will run. So that is why I need to know the support, resistance, and other indicators so you can trade nicely. But anyway, long picture, if it can hold $7, it will go towards $8. If you are planning for a day trade from 7 to 8, it's not a bad thing, like 14-15%. But if you have a longer term perspective, which also I have, I think this thing can easily go to 8, 8.5, then 10, 11 area. I'm eyeing towards 10, 11 area. Look at the chart, 16, 17, then the 8 thing came, this thing came down a lot. But AMC is AMC. When it is squeezed, it can squeeze hard. So that is why I'm making this video. 40% in 2 days, that is okay. But if you look at the short interest, 0 shares available to short. At the same time, the volume is increasing. That makes me really good. Also, if you look at SPY for last 2 days, SPY is also running. So when everything is lining up, why not AMC? This thing can run a lot. And finally, I want to talk about the 3-minute. Just want to have a quick look on the 3-minute side. I just want to see how things are moving. So the 3-minute perspective, if you look here, so you see a nice move, then the resistance at 6.25, that was the resistance, then 6.25 became the support. Now we are hitting this particular area, 7.17 area. You can see the resistance here and also some kind of resistance, even though it went to 7.23 previously. So as long it does not become a new resistance and we can go over, come down and bounce from this 7.25, 7.3 area, that will be the next leg. So what I'm expecting, if it is moving accordingly, maybe you see like this, you see like this, then maybe sideways, then again another push. So I'm really eyeing towards $8 and $10 area. Let me know your thought. Yeah, you can tell me it can go to 15, 20, but on the short term, this is what I'm thinking. And again, keep that in mind. Stock needs to come down. Pullback is necessary for a healthy run up. Okay, healthy run up. I'm not against it, but pullback is necessary. So if you're day trading, have your risk management exit plan. If you're swing trading, then it's a different thing. If you're a long-term investor, different thing. But very exciting. So let me know your thoughts on AMC in the comment section below. Also, if you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, for $9 per month, which is 30 cents per day, join my community so that each and every day you can get access to my Discord, where I give trade ideas like this with their entry, exit, and you can see that we are making money almost every day. So anyway, give a try. We also have some automated bot alert, so you can get the bot alert so you know which things are moving, which things are not moving. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.